Part 7 of films that deal with grief. The next movie is called Drive My Car. Sometimes grief doesn't show itself immediately. Drive My Car follows a theatre director who continues his life and career after the unfortunate death of his wife. While working on a stage production in another, he forms an unexpected connection with his quiet chauffeur. Through long drives and shared silence, both begin to open up about their private lives and their pasts. The film moves slowly and thoughtfully, letting emotion unfold over time. Drive My Car is a meditative story about loss, communication, and ultimately understanding.